Hi Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, the fire signs. Welcome to your reading for this week from 23rd of June to 30th of June. For these 8 days, I am using my Lenormand card, and if your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus are into Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this reading is for you. This whole week, we have Jupiter turning retrograde, and the Jupiter retrograde pick a card reading has already been uploaded. The link is there in the description box. We'll quickly move on to your reading. So let's see what these 8-9 days, the end of June, bringing in for you. What energy, what sort of events are coming your way, what is being suggested. Okay. All right. There's some wonderful cards because your center card here is Star. Star is one of the brightest cards in the Lenormands along with Sun and Moon. So you already have all the astral cards here, Star, Sun, Moon, all the three bright cards along with flowers, okay, along with tree. Letter. So these are cards which bring in a lot of freshness and a lot of light to the whole tableau. I'm using 3x5 tableau, and it is one of those most kind of an expansive, detail-oriented tableau that will help us to understand various events that can happen. Not every event may not resonate with you. Take what resonates. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This week seems to be really fine overall. If I see there is movement, there is I don't see any negative card. That's one of the things, out of these 15 cards, not one card I can say is negative, except one of that of sickle, but it is surrounded by stars. So in any case, I don't see a lot of effects happening. So let's quickly move on to our rows and columns, and and we'll then read the diagonals. We'll read the 3x3 tableau within this 3x5 tableau. So let's go ahead and see what is the message we are getting. So the first row talks about letter, sickle, garden, moon, owl. So the presence of letter and owl in the very first row talks about there is some sort of communication happening during these 7-8 days with you, which will bring in some sort of celebration, which may bring in a shift, okay, a shift in your celebration. So maybe you sudden change in terms of some social gathering that you were planning, and you will get some sort of recognition also, because sickle is normally removal, cutting, change, something of that sort. But maybe there is a gathering happening around you, or you have to attend some sort of celebration or something, or you are arranging some celebration. Probably that may get a little curbed because of this information, but you are being directed towards something else. Okay, so this curtailing of plans and directing towards something else is coming. So not bad. Okay. So let's see how these cards interact with one another, and then only we'll be able to find out what this cutting of the plan talking about. Because we have moon also. So moon is all about recognition. So some information that recognizes you. Maybe you are with your family. You are going for some family celebrations or friends marriage, or some sort of communication happens with you, which wherein you are being called forth, or you are selected for something. Okay, and you have to go there, so you cannot attend, or you have to curtail your plan or something of that sort. Let's see how these cards interact. Nothing bad. Okay, then again, rider. So we have letter and rider. So this is anyways communication, along with owl is already here. Garden is all about social networking, friends, family, chit chats, all that. So there are people around you who recognize you. They talk about you. They want to talk about you. They want to give you that recognition. They want to approach you. You seem to be really bright to them. Okay. So ridership. Rider-in-ship is all about a message coming from a distant land, which is destined, or which brings in a lot of luck and healing and wish fulfillment. It can be regarding a male of significance in your life, or you receive a legal notice or something which brings in a lot of some sort of healing in your life, some sort of contract or some sort of something structured, some structured information you get, that you are being recognized. Maybe your boss calls up, or maybe your boyfriend or your husband or somebody that you really look up to, somebody who is experienced, is actually recognizing you for what you are. And and this person stays a little at distance, maybe in some foreign lands also. It can be a legal information that you're getting about some contract, as I was talking about that job thing, okay? But it is a good information, you will really like it. There is a male involved in this whole thing, as if he's a great support, because he has moon at the top, star at the left, cloak at the right, and child at below. So all these good cards are there. This person gives you a lot of stability. It can be about, maybe, because we have garden here, we have bouquet here, it can be regarding some sort of and recognition, reputation, sensuality, so I think this person recognizes you and offers you some sort of commitment. It can be a relationship commitment also, through a message, mail, email, something of long term, okay? Last row is sun, tree. It's all about healing, fresh beginning, giving warmth, giving shed to people, really sharing your life, kindness, shining bright, being full blown, anchor, about all stability, and a new beginning, and a bouquet. So this is like whatever you see as can stabilize your life, help you to grow and make amendments, and make help you to have a fresh start, is coming your way. And that will be a long-term thing, and it all starts with some sort of information from distant land. And maybe a trip gets cancelled, or a party gets cancelled because of this whole information. Something definitely gets either rescheduled for time being, or it gets cancelled or postponed, but it is for your good, okay? This is what I can see. So it's all about brightness. It's all about brightness. It's all about news. It's all about stability, new beginning, and a proposal coming your way. You being recognized. Wish fulfillment is here. Healing is here. Your health improves. Sun and trees with anchor is actually. If you are worried about your health, you are recovering from that. So health, there is a movement in health. In case you were somebody was asked to go for some surgery, I think that also can be amended. I think some surgery happens that will stabilize your life, but it will be a small surgery, because star and sun in the tableau actually talks about not big, some maybe an injection, not even surgery, but it can be an injection. So yeah, it's all about brightness, news, shift, stability, long-term commitment, some sort of partnership, new beginning, recognition. If there was any delay into anything, delay in your shift, delay in this information, it is coming your way. Whichever way I read this tableau, guys, I think it is the overall message is the same, because your first card is letter, moves on to bouquet, which is a kind of a contract, because this bouquet is covered by this star, which is a legal contract or something. And star in center with anchor with garden, it's like a group of people that you meet. And because we have a gentleman here and a child here, it seems that the information comes from this man who is mature enough, experienced enough, and he brings in a lot of happiness, brightness, kind of a wish fulfillment in your life. See how it resonates. It can be somebody, some female who is action oriented, kind of logical lady, in case you are a male. Okay, so the presence of gentleman doesn't always mean male. It is male energy. So the energy of action, logical thinking, because we have tower here, so which means somebody of great reputation, because we have moon also here. Okay. So something is being removed from your life, or something is being cut short from your life, so that you can move towards something really good. And I think towards the end of this week is very is kind of very comfortable and a bright week for you. So that's something that is good for me also to rejoice on. Health improves, your relationship improves, the work situation improves. You're being recognized, and these are really bright cards. Wow. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius for 23rd of June to 30th of June, this is what I have for you. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the other video. Please take care of yourself. Bye bye.